Shilpa, what do you have to say about this beautiful outfit? What are the things that you like, in the collection?
I think the best part about being a woman is to be able to dress up, and I absolutely adore the whole process. Um, it just makes me feel very, very feminine, and I said that before. So her entire line is very wearable. Um, I feel like getting married again, obviously to the same person. The next controversy. No, so yeah, I think it's such a special day, the day you pick for your wedding, and what you wear on that day has to be really, really special because you can't change that. So you have to be sure about the outfit you pick up. I would definitely go for something like this. Yeah.
Nuts.
Um, a white T-shirt. Yeah, you can wear it in the day, in the night, with ripped jeans. You can wear it with a cool pair of pants. A meeting, yeah. Even at the office, works. Only when your son then puts some mango ice cream on it, you're jacked. Yeah. 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 What does fashion mean to you? What does it mean to you? What does it mean to you? Same thing. It's just, I mean, fortunately or unfortunately, we're in a milieu where people tend to copy us, or we're put in a position where we could be trendsetters and people end up becoming trend followers. So there is also that added, not responsibility, but headache that and pressure that every time you get out, you have to be impeccably dressed, or at least well put together. So for me, fashion at the end of it all has to be trend setting. One, I'd rather be a trend setter than a trend follower. So I'm not one of those people who succumbs to a style that is in season. I have clothes that are in my cupboard. My jeans are there in my cupboard, fortunately, because I haven't put on weight for the last 7 years. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. No, I have some even, I had to throw them because there was no place in my cupboard. I've had them for like 12, 15 years also. But then, yeah, and they're all in fashion now. Those bell bots have come back, those wide leg jeans. But so for me, it has to be timeless. Whatever you wear should be timeless. That's what fashion is about. And yeah, I think I've answered your question.
Okay, that's about
Yeah?
it. Yeah, let's just do a quick photo op.
All of the center.
मैम सेंटर में
Center, all of the center. Simple. Pooja, center. Come close. Okay, center. Okay, the left.
मैम here
Left.
मैम here done thank you
Solo.
Guys?
Solo. Center.
मैम here
Silpa ma'am.
here
Yeah. Silpa ma'am.
thank you
Pooja.